Alright everyone, if you have a TX525 Toro with a Kubota engine and your fuel pump goes out and you end up finding that your fuel filter looks like this, it's most likely the fuel line is coming apart on the inside. It's all sitting on the passenger side over here. Now in order to change out the fuel line, you have to pull the whole back end off. You can see first thing that came off was the step. And you'll have 4 bolts, which I'm circling right here. Also, you'll have 2 additional ones on the inner plate hiding underneath. And then the rear plate, and then the side plate, and then you're able to pull the tank out. Now these parts are pretty heavy, so be careful whenever you're taking them off, but the whole back end of the machine, as you see here, has to be removed in order to get to the fuel lines. Now one of these fuel lines is a return off from the fuel rail, and the other one is the fuel feed line. But you had to pull the whole tank out in order to replace that, so I would suggest you replacing the line, putting a new filter on, and a new fuel pump. Now the original fuel pump, this one right here, has been discontinued, and they do have a replacement, but they're back ordered, so they're not available, and I'm just going to use a Edelbrock style fuel pump, a diesel one like this, in order to replace it and get the machine fixed. The Edelbrock fuel pump came with an inline fuel filter, which I went ahead and installed, but it caused me to have to push the pump more forward and modify the original bracket to make room to put the fuel line on. Now before you leave the part store, you may want to grab a barbed fitting that'll screw into the end of the fuel pump in order to install the 5/16 line directly and eliminate the fuel filter that Edelbrock supplied. Also, you want to replace your water fuel separator, which here's the part number for it, 33392, which this is a pretty pricey little filter right here. You want to go ahead and put a new one on there, and then you can get a regular universal style fill filter like this one to replace the one that was gunked up on there, and then of course replace the fuel line. And there's the part number for that one, 33002 or 33002. But yeah, that's how you replace the fuel line on a Toro Dingo with a Kubota engine, rear step track machine. And always go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it, and then leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this.